You're being mean.
No, that's all right. That's okay. That's good.
You're being mean.
I am? Am I mean?
Not mean. No.
Not you?
Yeah.
We're at Jake's famous Crawfish since 1892, and nobody has ever sneezed here before.
Or as many times.
But Judy is sneezing. This is a first. Jake himself is going to come by and say, "What's the problem?" We're in the best table. We're in the Mater D's favorite table, and Judy is sneezing away, and we're not covering our glasses.
In November, we are going to laugh at this.
I don't know. This is not.
I think I'm okay.
Okay. This may be over. Maybe over.
I love the mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes are great. Yeah.
Mashed potatoes are good now.
I'm trying to be.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that's only 4 though. It's only 4 so far. We still. Portland's most famous restaurant has not seen the likes of this. This is my razor clam here.
Now he's talking to us.
Yeah, it's delicious. Everybody done now? No more sneezing.
Stuffed salmon.
Yeah, stuffed salmon. Okay.
Mashed potatoes.
The mashed potatoes are great.
Plate of mashed potatoes.
Just like Ma's. Oh, number 5. Okay.
In the background.
Yeah, there's background noise.
Not up close and personal, but in the background. Laughing is good for you. No,
All right.
it's not laughing and sneezing.
What day is this of our trip?
It's Sunday. No,
It's not Sunday. It's
Monday.
Monday.
It's Tuesday.
No, it's not.
What day is it? Day 12? No, day 13.
Day 13. All right. 3 more nights in Portland.
Remember when you said it was day 2?
Yeah.
Now we're on day 13.
Trip's almost over. Okay. Well. You see me on here, right?
Oh, please.
So I'm on the movie. Yeah. It's on. It's on.
Talk to us, Ron.
Toast to Jake's since 1892.
He didn't finish his clams.
I'll eat them. I'm taking a movie. I'm making a movie.
Okay?
Hello.
She did a nice job, except she didn't eat her mashed potatoes.
No, and you didn't eat your veggies.
I did really good, except for some
A lot of
stuff.
carrots there. And I started sneezing, so I really don't feel like eating a whole lot more, but this was really, really good.
Did
It
good.
was stuffed salmon with crab meat and some lobster and bay shrimp.
Okay, how do you shut it off, Ron?
Just push